Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing great. This is Umar with you. Today is 15th of March and today as usual was volatile. Today was Sensex expiry and there are lots of bad news. I wouldn't say bad news. There are lots of local cues in the market and still I really don't know why the market has to come down. Maybe it was a trap by HNIs. It was a trap by institutions. In fact, we went yesterday price action Nifty, I can tell you we touched almost 22,200, right? Yeah, 22,200. Then we reversed and settled somewhere around 22,150. Now, in terms of local cues, there are lots of news. If you see, let me tell you before going into the chart, let me tell you there is an March 16, that is tomorrow 3 p.m. There is going to be a press conference by Election Commission, and they are going to say the election dates, upcoming election dates, right? So I hope you didn't have any positions. If you have any positions, I'm sure you must have hedged your positions, right? So don't drive without insurance. Don't take any positions, particularly on weekend, without any hedges, right? So I'm sure you would have taken some hedges, right? And this is our PNL. I'm sure you must be able to see this. We are in a profit, or today's Sensex gave us a profit of around 26,600, 682. With that, this month we are sitting at around 12.22%. And these details, this whatever Election Commission of India notice circular is shared by one of our member in our Telegram group, right? So that's why we say always join our Telegram group. Because you will get some information, you will get some news. People are here. There are around more than 2.5k people who are sharing information, what they know, what they do not know. So if you want, you can join the Telegram group. I will leave the link in the description below. And one more thing, let me tell you, we have in terms of expiry day trades, we have a course in our website, which is OptionSense.in. You can find the link in the description below, and there is a expiry day course. In this expiry day course, in this we are going to go live and we are going to show our PNL, or we are going to have live Zoom meeting every weekend. Plus, we are also going to upload daily videos of our strategy, how we have made money, what we have done, so on and so forth. So it's going to cost you, it's not free, it's going to cost you around 500 rupees. So it's a lifetime membership. So if you want, you can join, for which the link is also on the description below, right? Now coming back to the markets, now you can see a kind of U type price action, right? So as I told you, all day long it was trying to close above 22,000. If it had closed above 22,000, I would have been very, very happy. But it is very unfortunate, we have closed below 22,000. Now what can be the price action in terms of Nifty? Let me show you the Nifty hourly chart. This is the hourly chart. Now this trend line has broken, and this trend line, you can see here, lots of congestion in this area, going up, coming down, going up, coming down. In fact, on 14th of March, Nifty touched around 21,000, maybe 21,900 levels, and today was the low. Today's low also was 21,900. So we are seeing a small support in this 21,900 area, but at the same time, this 22,000, right? This 22,000, which was acting as a good support, will now act as a good resistance, right? You have to, whenever a support is taken out, it will act as a resistance. Now let's say hypothetically, if the market has to come down, where it will end up, right? We have a projection, or we have a perspective. Of course, it is my perspective. It can go wrong, it may be right, or it may not be right. And this level is around maybe let's say 21,500 levels. This yellow line I'm just drawing for now is around 21,500 530 levels. Now what will happen? Maybe another 2 hours days it will move sideways, it will try to retest 22,000. If it is not sustaining above 22,000, we can see markets coming towards 21,500 is my perspective or is my outlook about the market. It may happen, it may not happen, that's a whole different thing, right? Yesterday we told maybe we will touch 21,500. So today it didn't happen, right? That's why I'm saying this is all hypothesis. We'll have to wait and see what happens. There are lots of factors involved, local cues, global cues, so on and so forth. So we'll see how, wait for 2 or 3 days, see what is happening. If Nifty is able to go, maybe this is also, maybe whatever you are seeing here, maybe whatever you are seeing here, this one might be a fake, right? This might be a fake breakdown, right? Who knows? Even market may retrace and touch 22,500, right? This might be a fake. So that's why I'm saying wait for another 1 or 2 days, see what is happening in terms of market. Then you can go and maybe you can go long in the market, you can sell PE option, so on and so forth. So this is in terms of Nifty. And in terms of Banknifty, Banknifty is this is hourly chart. Now Banknifty was exactly sitting in the resistance of around 26,500, right? It is sustaining. That's what yesterday I told. Yesterday I told 46,500 is a good support in Banknifty, and that is what has happened today. It almost came below 46,500. It tested 46,300 and it is closing above 46,594. In fact, it has closed above 46,500, around 600 levels, right? 46,600 levels. So you can assume, let me draw a line here. You can assume that this 46,000, yeah, this 46,000 might 46,300 levels or 46,300 level is a good support for now. I'm talking for now, right? Immediate support. So in case let's say market is gapping down below 46,500 or maybe 46,400 or 300 tomorrow, we don't know, market will go on the downside. And if it is gapping down tomorrow, let's say US market is bearish, we are having some negative news, if it is coming down, maybe it will touch 45,800 or even 45,500 levels, right? Now let's say it is not gapping down, it is going on the higher side. What might be the resistance? Maybe it will go and touch this level, which is this yellow line, right? This yellow line has a resistance of around 47,000. This yellow line, if you go and see, 47,500, right? 47,500. And if at all it comes down 45,500 or even 45,000, 45,800 is a good support for Banknifty. So that's what I would say. And apart from this, as I told you, I'm also looking for things. What might be the bad news? I cannot find any bad news. If you have seen any bad news or if you have come across any bad news, let me know on the comment section below. And US market, this is the US market. You can see the US market. US markets are all kind of flat. Dow Jones is down by up by maybe 10 points, 0.10%, or S&P, Nasdaq. So everything is flat, right? And Europe is also kind of flat. It is not performing. So we'll have to wait and see how Europe closes, then how US closes. Then we can see market. We can understand the market direction, right? So be very careful. We will see how market opens on Monday. We are having a holiday. Saturday, Sunday is a holiday. Then we will have to wait and see what is going to happen in terms of market, how the markets are going to work out. So nothing can be nothing can be decided as of now. We will have to wait and see what is going to happen in terms of market, right? I hope I have summarized. And let me tell you, in terms of In terms of economic data, we don't have any much significant data. Only data which we are expecting is March 20th, which is next Wednesday. We are going to see Federal Reserve going to come out and give a interest rate decision. They are going to take the interest rate decision. That also we have talked briefly. We don't have to talk much about that now. As of now, we are kind of sideways. We'll have to wait and see how things work out. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in at another video. Till then, take care. Bye.